Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from accessing contacts on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To stop apps from accessing contacts on iPhone, you need to be in the Settings app. So in your app library, open the Settings app. And once you open it, navigate through the list of options until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on that. This section provides valuable insights into which apps have recently accessed various aspects of your data, including your contacts. So just tap on Contacts from the list. You will see it display a list of apps that have access to your contacts. Look for apps that you don't necessarily need access to your contacts. Social media apps, messaging apps, or shopping apps might be some examples. Once you've identified the apps you want to restrict, it's time to revoke their access to your contacts. Next to this apps, you have a toggle switch. To revoke this access, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. The switch will move to the off position, indicating that the app can no longer access your contacts. You can do the same to all apps that you don't want to have access to your contacts. And that is how to stop apps from accessing contacts on iPhone. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.